Mizuki, when we found you at the merry-go-round, you were holding the ice pick. I'm not accusing you of anything. I trust you. I just want to know why you were holding it.
Air high five, Shipwreck, air high five.
Answer me, Mizuki.
Tate, please. Yelling at her is counterproductive.
Damn it.
Alright, I best be on my way then. I'd best be on my way. There we go. Now I
I
summarize.
think I'll go to Bloom Park again.
Looking for the phone?
It might be there, it might not. I just want to be sure. Take care of Mizuki, okay?
Yeah. Leave it to me.
There we go. Now we get a map. Now we get our map. I thought his car was black. Why do I keep thinking that?
Now the news. Yesterday night, the body of Shoko Nadami was found. Her body was recovered from the now-defunct Bloom Park in the Kawasaki district. Autopsy reports revealed that her time of death was roughly 5 p.m. last afternoon. Police have determined that the victim was killed elsewhere and then brought to Bloom Park to be put on display. The MPD has expanded the scope of their investigation and are encouraging anyone with any information to come forward. In other news, at 6:10 p.m. today, on the outer circle of the Capital City Highway in Minato District, Tokyo.
I want to know something though, okay? If she was killed elsewhere and put on display, where's the drag marks? Where's the prints? Like, there would be so
A traffic
much
collision
evidence.
occurred involving 5 cars and at least 1 truck.
And I know, like, it was raining and everything, so lack of footprints. Alright, but it would still be muddy because it was raining the night before. I'm just, like, out-logicking the game here, I guess. Have you ever tried flavored crushed potato chips for breading? We use spicy chips sometimes for breading. It's so good. Yeah, Mom does that. Sounds good. It is so yum. Now I'm imagining chicken and crushed spicy
As a
Doritos.
result of the pileup, 1 man was sent to the hospital unconscious in critical condition. 6 other individuals were treated for minor injuries. MPD has arrested the driver of the truck suspected to be the cause of the accident for negligence. The investigation is ongoing.
I mean, Mom's done it a couple times. I've tried it one time. It was alright the first time. I think we used barbecue the one time. Barbecue chips. Yeah. Yeah, then Mom used like the red hot the red hot chips, which have hot sauce in them, which was hilarious because my dad cannot take spicy food and he had no idea, and it was the best thing ever. Anyway, but it was alright. Okay, give me 1 second, guys. Go ahead, Sarah Iba. I have to use the restroom real fast. I'll be right back. Never use chips, always use seasoned breadcrumbs. See, right? Cracker of some sort. I've never used crackers. Alright, anyway, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Sorry. What did I just walk back into? What? Hold on. Okay, moist chicken. Wait. It really is. Alright. Made myself hungry. Moist chicken. Juicy chicken is the best. I hate dry chicken. I always go for the thighs and legs. Breast meat's always so dry. Yes, but it's so good. Can't understand what people like. It's like stringy sawdust. I'm a bone and leg person. Oh my gosh. I tried putting a quarter cup of water in the pan if I roast, but frying lost. So I'm a breast man, I bet you are. Wow. Just is never afraid of drumsticks. We talking chicken, I swear. You guys see that? I didn't know. I never looked at chicken like that before. Alright. Oh, that's great.
Wait, are you a ghost?
Idiot.
Do you warm a bit of ranch for dip? Why would you warm up ranch for dip? What is wrong with you? Guys, I think my mom might be a psychopath, which would explain a lot, especially how I was raised.
It's me.
Who, you? Me?
It's me.
Who?
I said me.
But are you a ghost?
I'm not a ghost.
Then, Aiba? But why?
I leave for like maybe 2 minutes. I'm not a ranch. Yeah, really, I don't like ranch either. I mean, I like, not anymore. I used to, but Caesar on the other hand, we don't have ranch in the UK. Be glad. It's gone downhill.
I just thought I would protect myself. You seem lonely.
How are you doing this?
I've always liked my salads naked, so like no dressing.
I
or
am
anything.
overlaying the image your left eye processes with augmented reality. You can't see me through your right eye, only your left.
You can't just pop into my eyeball without permission.
You do realize I do that all the time, right?
Caesar without extra garlic, yum. Oh, that does sound good actually. See, I'm not really a dressing type of fan. I don't know. I've tried Thousand Island. I've tried French, which I don't know why that's not burned. I've tried ranch, which I liked for the longest time. I don't really so much now. I tried Caesar, which wasn't too bad. Usually we have like Parmesan in our Caesar because it's like that's just how it's sold. But I never tried the garlic. Not even dip for chips. See, we make our own dip for chips. We do mayonnaise, mustard, and garlic seasoning. And it's just like to
I am
taste.
connected to your brain via artificial nerve.
Ever had a chicken Caesar wrap? Yeah. It wasn't bad. I get the powder.
I am part of your working brain. Our minds are one. During the sync, when the data that constitutes your ego is transferred, some of my main programming is also transferred. That is
So
why
yeah.
I appear in Somnium. Do I
Like I
even
said, I
need
would
to
just,
explain
like-
this sort of thing to you?
I don't know. I just like salads. I guess, like I said, naked. I don't really like anything on my salad. It's just salad. Especially like blue cheese. Mom likes blue cheese. I don't. I think that should be shot. French dressing should be burned. Blue cheese should be shot. I love them so much. The chicken Caesar wrap or
I have
chicken wraps.
experienced syncing many times with you. Although it is true that I have never appeared to you in this form.
Plus it would dash a wee bit of hot sauce. Yeah, no, hot sauce is good, but I just,
Come to think of it, you look kind of like you do when you're insomnia. What's that about?
What do you mean?
Well, you don't usually look like that. You have the somnium form and another form.
Oh, this?
I probably just offended like half my audience with the ranch and blue cheese dressing talk.
Yes, that. Why are you doing this now?
I was bored last night, so
Huh?
I thought you would like it.
Why would I like it?
I mean, she doesn't sleep, man. Heck yeah! What, did I offend you or shot the blue cheese? Or wait, I'm confused.
Well, I did attempt to shape myself to your preference.
We have mayo, Caesar dressing, or sour cream dip, sometimes garlic, and that's all I've seen. Nice.
If you
You
could
like
do that, change it. Be Reka from Tiefblau.
Was never a fan of blue cheese and had to work with it a lot.
I
Oh
will
yeah.
not.
No, definitely should get that shot. Yeah, just take it out back, be like, it's my blue cheese, Mom. I'll take care of it. That's all you need, right? Mustard. You also
Why
need mustard.
not?
Because I won't.
Or brown mustard. If you can get brown spicy mustard. Oh.
It was somewhere around here, right? Where I heard the phone ring.
Affirmative.
The source can't be far. The phone must be nearby.
I do not know if it actually exists. Dreams consist of memories, but that does not mean that they perfectly mirror reality.
Send
In
him with your
fact,
blanket, yeah.
it is more common that what occurs in dreams is distorted.
And your pillow, Lone Wolf. And your pillow.
For example, the events witnessed in the last Somnium were absurd, exaggerated, or otherwise warped. Clearly, they do not represent exactly what happened in reality. The ringtone as well.
Mizuki didn't necessarily hear it. I understand that. But it's our only lead.
Anything catch your eye,
As I
Miss
mentioned
Iva?
earlier, I cannot say for certain if there was a phone here. However, if there is, it must be well hidden. CSI has already searched the area thoroughly, but they did not discover anything.
Well hidden, huh? Maybe a place you can't see with the naked eye.
The bushes?
Let me see. I need to analyze the surroundings.
Control room, merry-go-round. Alright. There we go. I forgot I can move my head. That was it.
It is certainly the case that the phone would be placed somewhere not readily visible to the naked eye, if it exists at all.
Fence it up around merry-go-round. I mean, I can't exactly, like... Oh, hold on.
Look at that.
Made a pillow today and won't let me has it. Stomps, but I'm
It
pouting.
appears to be a
That's
smartphone.
right. It's not your pillow. It goes
I
for
knew it was in
someone
the horse.
Don't lie. You doubted me.
So how do I get it out?
I cannot find any weaknesses or seams in the horse's body. The horse's neck does not detach either.
There must be some hole or something.
I found one.
Where?
The mouth of the horse. I might be able to fit inside. One moment.
I got it!
Yes. Good job, Iva.
freaking cute. She has a tail! Oh my goodness, I really need an Iva plushie. Zoe needs to go out. Okay, alright. Hurry back. Shipwreck.
Iva, who owned this phone? The number is...
Some packets of ranch. That sounds really nice. I hope it's as good as I've heard. Told Iva the number. The results came back
This
quickly.
is a rental phone.
I mean, it is pretty good. It just depends on the
Rental?
ranch.
The owner is
Honestly.
unknown. It is registered under a false identity.
Come on.
Date, Look at the device history.
It's gone. No outgoing call history.
What about the incoming history?
Only one call. 9:02 p.m. yesterday.
Mizuki and Ota discovered the corpse at approximately 9 p.m.
Mizuki must have heard this phone.
That would connect to what we experienced in Somnium. Who is the caller?
Their name isn't displayed. The number isn't in their contacts. In fact, there are no contacts. No numbers at all.
The phone had no email addresses or browsing history that could be a clue either. Just one clue, the call at 9:02. I had Iva look up
This
the
number is also from a rental phone. No owner is registered.
Oh,
What happened?
the battery died. The screen turned off.
Yes, you do. What? Oh wait, and she on his head, yeah. She's so tiny, she's so hard to see.
Iva, remember the number I just gave you?
You just have to mix really well, then let it chill for a bit. But look who I'm telling this to. I mean, you're a
Of
chef,
course.
you know
Call
how
it.
to do it. Yeah. It connected.
My
It
name is
connected.
Kaname Date. I'm with the Metropolitan Police Department.
Are you an idiot?
They hung up.
Oh, you think so?
I mean, I'm
What
pretty
kind
sure
of low
I was
IQ
too.
ignoramus calls a suspicious number and says they are from the police?
I couldn't help it. I wasn't ready. I just said the first thing that came into my head.
Never had ran so
You
many
told me to
scissors,
call-
but
I
this is great.
didn't think it would work.
Disappointing. There is no other word for it.
You're telling me.
Call it again.
Iva, can you call it again? I'll be ready this time, I swear.
Are you sure?
Yeah, trust me.
Surprise, surprise. Nobody's picking up.
no longer in service.
They just flat out disconnected it.
Damn, call denied.
Call deny?
Yeah, call denied.
Oh, the thing Reika from the Cabaret Club did to your number.
Damn, you remember that?
What?
Oh, Rick.
I want to hear her voice.
She put you on call deny.
Can't you try from another line?
And it literally has directions on
I
the package.
can,
Forget about it.
but I won't. Use a payphone if you want to call her.
I don't have my own phone. As I'm within range, I can use Iba to make any call I need to. Whether it's a traditional line or Nile message, I can have Iba help me. Iba is connected to my mind wirelessly as well. So even when she's outside my eye socket, I can talk normally.
Near 3rd Street, Shinjuku.
That's a wide range. Can you tell if they called from a smartphone?
They did. I can tell from the number.
Does it have GPS?
The phone is likely capable of that function, but it has been disabled. The power also appears to be off. I cannot connect from any line, because you blew it.
Jeez! Listen, you little judgmental eyeball bear.
There would be no point to that now. The recipient is alerted to our presence and likely on the move.
Right.
I was the phone
Unknown,
and the horse.
but it does appear to be deliberate.
Kind of warm in here, where we are right now. and
Did the
I
culprit
still
do
wanna
this?
get warm.
Or did someone else? And for what specific purpose?
Oh, guys, I got a robe today. I didn't even have to join a cult. It just came through Amazon. Who knew?
Probably
Technically, I
someone
guess we're in
involved
cult
in the
with
incident.
Amazon. Technically. I mean, we're giving them our money, so it's kind of a cult, isn't it?
They hung up as soon as they heard you mention the police, then refused further incoming calls.
Come out! Come out!
That behavior is at the very least suspicious.
Iba, let's get going. There's nothing more here.
Where are we going? Iris's house?
Yeah, I'm curious.
About your prophecy?
And use that for from now on. Come out.
Absurd. It was.
Let's hope so.
Oh, whoops. It was nothing. It was nothing. Not like this. Hey, make sure to check your inventory and remember, come out. Lami? Come out, Lami. Coming. Oh, that's great.
Dante!
Oh, well.
Dante! You came! But aren't you a little early?
Huh?
You said you would play Shovel Forge with me tomorrow.
No, I didn't.
No.
I did promise to go on a date with you.
Tomorrow? It's not even midnight yet. I kept my promise by staying home, so you need to keep your promise, Dante.
You're sitting kind of close, I know. I was looking at it like an abbreviation, and I thought it was knock 'em all out or something. No. That'd be great, but no. No, it's just a mistype. Come out. Oh, yeah. I know I'm sitting close. It's fine.
I'm hop, hop, hoppy happy.
I have witnesses.
Hop, hop, hop. Rabbit goes hop.
Fat finger syndrome. Blame the fingers.
Why do you ask?
Oh, well, you see,
Because I saw your dead body in a dream. Are you seriously going to tell her that?
you hush.
I'm a shut up. Get back in my head.
By the way,
Where's your
where's your mom?
She left earlier. She got a Nile message from someone. She looked kind of panicky, too.
Where did she go?
Don't know. She didn't tell me. Oh, did you want something to drink?
No, sorry. I should be going.
What? Leaving already?
Yeah, I have some work to do.
Well, will you at least watch my stream at 1?
Stream?
Don't you remember? I'm an internet idol.
And you're gonna stream online?
I forgot she was a
Yeah.
streamer too.
At 1 in the morning.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, yeah,
You're
why
a young
not?
woman. You shouldn't stay up so late.
Oh, geez, you sound like an old man.
Because he is an old man.
It's fine. Today isn't for work, it's just a personal stream.
That's not the issue.
And tomorrow is Sunday.
The day isn't the issue either.
Anyway, please watch, okay? I'll ask you about it on tomorrow's date.
Came back. Forgetting not putting on a coat. So cold. Oh, shipwreck. I'm so sorry. Welcome back, though.
Fine.
Eventually, spring will happen. I don't know when.
Date, I have been thinking. I am glad that nothing bad happened.
Yeah, you're right.
Because sometime real soon, I'm going to die.
You just missed Swirl going Kamau and Lomi, so it's alright. Also, I forgot that Iris was a streamer, so went down to 10. Oh my goodness, no. 10 degrees Celsius. Oh no, I'm so sorry. You know what would help you, Shipwreck? Is a blanket. You can barely see Iva on the desk.
I am watching the case file of Shoko Nadami as it is updated in real time. Currently, it appears as though there has been no significant progress. Hey Date, why not go to that bar you haven't been to in a while?
Bar.
Marble in Golden Yokocho.
Yes, let's go to Golden Yokocho. Yes. Oh wow, that sounds warm. It is. Mama runs Marble. She's an informant who knows just about everything there is to know about the criminal underground. Maybe she knows something. Especially during summer, it gets to be like, I don't know, 80, 90s, sometimes even 100. And then our wonderful, knowledgeable neighbors keep their... they keep their heater on, which makes it like, I don't know, 110 in the house. So yeah, it's wonderful. 10 Celsius around 48, 50. Yeah, that's what it is. So warm for me, yeah. Let's go talk to Mama.
There are many points of interest surrounding Mizuki, but we will need to speak with her directly.
I hope she gets better soon.
Anything stand out to
Date, you promised to go on a date with Iris yesterday.
you? You are right about a blanket, yeah. See, right? Just tell me your colors, man.
What exactly are you planning to do?
At least 2, because it needs a trim.
What? Seriously?
It's a social date.
A man's promise is his bond. You absolutely must keep your word.
Have you ever heard
Still
of
just
a
a
white
social
lie?
So, you're gonna act like it never happened.
I mean, she's 18. I don't know how old Dante
That's
is,
not
but
what I
she's
said.
18.
The day's not over yet. If I go see her and socialize for a bit, that's a date, right?
Do not do well in the heat. Even summers where I'm at is rough for me. Oh, yeah.
Oh, so you are not planning a real date then?
No, of course not.
If you say so.
You almost sound relieved, Iba.
Pardon?
Are you jealous?
Yeah, being born northern hemisphere, it's rough whenever you have to go to the southern part of the world sometimes.
Impossible! I could never be jealous of a silly little human like her.
Uh-huh. Sure.
Like, at least once a year the southern hemisphere comes to visit for some reason, you know. I was sitting on the desk. Okay, I had exhausted her dialogue. Hold on. Talk to myself. There'd be no point. Let's not. Oh, but I want to talk to myself. I'll look crazy. Let's not. Do it. I don't want to talk to myself like an idiot. Absolutely not.
Let's
yes!
play a word game.
Ah,
Okay,
yes!
bring it on. Say white 10 times. White, 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 white. Think of your favorite cabaret girl. Now, what does a cow drink? Milk.
Okay. It's because your body is octave nerve are connected. Alright.
There's been no progress, as usual. The people at the main office are so incompetent. The smartphone you brought in yesterday is still our only lead. Hopefully there'll be a breakthrough. She was returned to the hospital after the sync. She'll probably be hospitalized for a while.
Strange. Mizuki's phone is at home, Date. The GPS and Wi-Fi access point confirm this.
She went home by herself?
She snuck
Possibly.
out of the hospital.
Why?
Unknown.
Why would you want to stay in the hospital? About the phone.
I asked HQ to look into it. They found a few things. First, the owner was Shoko Nadami.
It was Shoko's phone?
Why was it in the horse's
Yes.
mouth?
Her face was registered in the phone's facial recognition authentication.
Why would... It's fine.
Who called the phone?
I feel like Aiba should have known that.
Sorry, we don't know that yet. They called from a burner phone. They didn't register her name.
I can make a deduction with this information. We know that the phone belonged to Shoko.
Right.
Whoever it was made their call at 9:02 p.m. after Shoko was killed. I believe we can make an assumption here.
The caller probably wasn't the murderer. Why would they call the phone of the person they just killed?
Maybe. But the culprit might have been trying to get Mizuki to call, so that they can bring her to the scene.
But then why hide the phone? They would have left it somewhere easier to find.
True. But either way, our mysterious caller is suspicious. Consider this. They did not register the phone under their real name. And also, they hung up as soon as Date mentioned he was a cop.
I mean, again, I
And
feel
on
like
top of
anybody would
that,
have done that.
they blocked Date's number and turned off the phone.
The blame lies entirely with Date. I suggest cutting his salary.
I'll cut your battery.
Do it. I'll plug in somewhere.
Anyway, we have to identify the caller. If you don't want your salary cut.
Fuck.
All the history's been erased.
Yeah, I tried to.
There's nothing on the phone itself, but we can still look up its records.
Listen, I go out in the sun for 5 minutes. I come back in with a tan. I don't understand.
I
what
happen
goes
to have
on
a
there.
friend at the cell company.
I make Casper look like he's sunburned. I make Casper look like he's tan. I go out for 5 minutes. I come back in. Casper ain't tan anymore. I tan nicely after the burn clears off. Yeah, right?
The head
That's
office
what-
is looking into it now.
Usually how
About
that goes.
Renju.
Renju?
Yeah. I wouldn't say I tan
Yesterday I
nice.
told you he vanished after he was questioned. Well, we found him.
Where?
Central Hospital.
At the
He was brought there
Carlisle.
from a traffic accident. He's unconscious and it's not looking good.
Could it be?
Capitol Highway?
Oh, you heard about it?
We heard the report on the radio
Yeah, it was
last
on the
night.
radio.
I can't believe it was about Renju.
About Renju
Date,
again.
you should go talk to him. He is Shoko Nadami's former husband, after all. He might have some information.
But he's still asleep, isn't he?
Smack him across the face and wake him up. You're his friend, right? He'll understand.
You want a coma? Not anymore! How does that work?
Come on.
Summarize it, please. I have 3 places to check. Central Hospital, where Renju is.